Students, today I am telling you chapter 11 perimeter and area of class 7. See first question. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter. That means length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. You have to find first part is area. So you know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 500 multiplied by 300. You will get this much 1,50,000 meter square. Now second part is you have to find the cost of land. If 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000, that means cost of 1 meter square land is rupees 10,000, and you have find the area in first part. So therefore cost of 1,50,000 meter square, what you will do, you will multiply by 10,000. 1,50,000 multiplied by 10,000. You will get this much as an answer in rupees. Now come to second question. Find the area of square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. You have to find the area of square park and its perimeter is given. So you know perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. Put up the values. 320 equal to 4 into side. You will get side equal to 320 divided by 4. That is side equal to 80 meter. Now you have to find the area of square. So area of square is side multiplied by side or side square. Both are same. So 80 multiplied by 80. You will get 6400 meter square. Now see third question. You have to find the breadth of rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So area of rectangle, you know length into breadth. Area is given 440 and length is given 22. You have to find its breadth. So breadth equal to 440 divided by 22. Simplify it, you will get breadth equal to 20 meter. Now you have to find perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Put up the values. 2 multiplied by 22 plus 20. You will get 2 into 42, that is 84 meter. Now see students, fourth question. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Perimeter is given 100 equal to 2 multiplied by length is given 35 plus breadth you will write denote by B. Now you will simplify it, 2 will come in denominator. You will get 50 equal to 35 plus B. So 50 minus 35 equal to B. So breadth equal to 15 centimeter. Now you have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 35 multiplied by 15. You will get 525 centimeter square. Now students, see fifth question. The area of square park is same as of rectangular park. If the side of square park is 60 meter and the length of rectangular park is 90 meter, you have to find the breadth of rectangular park. So see students, first line only, that area of square park is same that of rectangular park. So side of square park is given, that is 60 meter. So first you will find area of square, that is side multiplied by side. So 60 multiplied by 60, you will get 3600 meter square. Now area of rectangle will also be 3600 meter square. Why? As it is given in question that area of square park is same that of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth equal to 3600. Length is given 90. 90 into B equal to 3600. So B equal to 3600 divided by 90. You will get 40 meter. That is breadth equal to 40 meter. Now see sixth question. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If same wire is rebent in shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So remember student, whenever any wire is converted in any shape, then perimeter of both the shape remains same. So length of rectangle is 40 and breadth is 22 centimeter. You will find perimeter of rectangle 2 multiplied by L plus B. Put up the values, you will get perimeter as 124 centimeter. Same will be the perimeter of square, as same wire is rebent into square. Now 4 into side equal to 124, so side equal to 124 divided by 4. You will get 31 centimeter. Now you have to tell which shape enclose more area. So you will find area of both. Area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, 40 multiplied by 22, you will get 880 centimeter square. Then area of square, side multiplied by side, 31 multiplied by 31, you will get 961 centimeter square. So you can see that square has more area. So you will write therefore square shape encloses more area. Now see seventh question. The perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of rectangle is 30 centimeter, you have to find its length. Also find the area of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Put the values 130 equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 30. Simplified, 2 will come in denominator. You will get 65 equal to L plus 30. So length equal to 65 minus 30. You will get 35 centimeter. Now you have to find area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. 35 multiplied by 30. 1050 centimeter square. Now see students, 8th question. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. You have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So first you will find area of wall, that is length into breadth. So 4.5 multiplied by 3.6, you will get 16.20 meter square. Now door is fitted on in a wall. So area of door you will find length into breadth, 2 into 1, you will get 2 meter square. So whenever a wall is whitewashed, then door area is removed. So you will find area to be whitewashed. You will subtract both of them. 16.20 minus 2, you will get 14.20 meter square. Now cost you have to find. So cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is given rupees 20. Therefore cost of whitewashing 14.20 meter square. 14.20 multiplied by 20, you will get rupees 284. Thank you.